Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 25. I am not manifest to all in my real nature, veiled by divine Maya. This deluded world knows not me, the unborn, the imperishable.
Chapter 7, Shloka 25. Nagham prakasha sarvasya yogamaya samavritah mudoyam nabijanati logo mam ajam avyayam.
Chapter 7, Shloka 25. At present we are ignorant of our true nature. What is the cause is explained. Lord represents the unmanifest, the unborn and the immutable, which never manifests and is veiled by divine Maya. Because of this, we are incapacitated to recognize our infinite nature, the self, and we behave as though we are limited, egocentric individuals. Maya is the conditioning through which the eternal truth expresses itself. When the one reality appears as plurality, the multiple universe. When the principle of Maya functions through the individual, it is called ignorance or avidya. It creates in the individual the hallucination of an imperfect and a sorrowful world which we experience. It is caused by the three types of moods within, the three temperaments or gunas called the sattva, rajas and tamas. Rajas creates mental agitations called vikshepa, and tamas creates the intellectual veiling called avarna. Due to the play of the gunas, the self is not available for direct perception. Special instructions from the teachers and sincere practice by the students are necessary in order to make one realize one's own real nature. As long as the intellect is veiled by the agitations of the mind from the awareness of the self, so long the ego pants to fulfill itself and to gain the infinite through the senses. A heart full of desires, disappointments, dissatisfactions, and fear can never have the integrated equipoise to live a moment of still awareness, to experience the pure consciousness. When through self-control, listening, reflection, and meditation, the agitations are quietened and the veiling has been pulled down, the seeker rediscovers the self, the unborn and the immutable. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.